Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant decorative container. So what you're going to need, you need some of these mini white faux pearls from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need a tall glass hurricane. You will need 4 or 5 packs of these mini silver spoons. And then I have 2 of these thrifted Tealight holders. But you can find Tealight holders at Dollar Tree, or perhaps you have some thrifted Tealight holders you'd like to use instead. I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use additional items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this decorative canister turn out absolutely beautifully? It was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.